Hello from KB2SDR. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration of the comparison between the LD-11 and the FX-9A. The audio on the LD-11 is a little muffled, so I just wanted to give you guys a comparison. What I'll do is I'll play the the LD-11, and then I'll jump to the FX-9A, and then I'll switch in the speaker in line and let you hear for yourself how much of a difference the external speaker makes. So here's the LD-11.
Hey, Roger, Mr. Fisher. AA9YZ6QPY. It has been a long time, man, but you tell you what, you're always in our prayers and you're...
Now here's the LD-11.
Conversation around this Ponderosa, like I told you a long time ago, that boy, I'm sure glad you live over there and my YL live over here, because boy, I think that'd be a problem around you.
LD-11 again.
Hey, Roger. Yeah,
I'm going to change some of the filtering here.
Yeah, she was talking to you and you didn't even know who she was, and that kind of hurt her feelings, you say, over. Oh, yeah, well, that's right, but she came in there, you know, and it's been such a long time, Miles, and she just... I didn't know it till she told me who she was. She said, I'm Miles. I was like, oh. Tell her, forgive me, don't
So now I'm going to pause this and put in this speaker and give you a feel for how it sounds with the external speaker. Okay, so here's the LD-11 with the external speaker.
She got me around here working since I retired. Hey, look here, Fisher. I am really the head man in the West in charge of looking out the window.
Now I'm going to unplug it.
All right, man, you can look at it now. You can look at it now. And just don't take no position.
I mean, it's not bad. It's just a little bit it's muffled. It's not as clear as it probably could be. I'll leave it up to you to decide. So this is just a quick comparison. 73 everybody, KB2SDR.